Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to open Google Chrome Task Manager. So guys, to open Google Chrome Task Manager, click on this three dot. Now walk cursor to more tools, and here is the option Task Manager. And also guys, you can open Task Manager by pressing Shift plus Exit key. So here guys, you will see all detailed like task and memory, footprint, CPU, network and process ID. You can add any task easily, just select and add process. So like this guys, you can access and you can get Google Chrome Task Manager. Thanks for watching.